So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Quant Network. Currently the market did hit our ultimate TP price yesterday on the 22nd of September. That was around like 13.5% move to the downside from when this prediction was produced on the 26th of August. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this prediction here. And now we're going to try to figure out if this market in Quant Network is going to continue to go lower, or will we see price hold right now at this buy pocket that was created back in June. So let's go ahead and crack this real quick. We will get rid of this buy pocket right here in Quant Network, and we're going to add a new sell pocket into the market for this cryptocurrency. So we're going to make that into a sell pocket. There may actually be another one created right now in Quant Network right here. So we're going to make this one here, and we're going to reduce this buy pocket and bring it a little bit lower. Okay, so now we got that done. Let's look at the market in Quant Network on the 2. Currently, you can see on this current 2-day price bar that this is creating a potential precursor of strength, which simply means that in the next 2 days, we want to see the next 2-day price bar close higher than where this current one is, because it lets us know that buyers, in fact, are still within this pocket buying this cryptocurrency. Okay, so we still have 13 hours and 7 minutes. So this current 2-day price bar can definitely close down at the bottom, which will eliminate the prospect of us noticing buyers in that pocket. So we still got to give the market another 13 hours before it prints. But if it looks the way it looks now, then the next 2 days we want to see the price continue to shoot up higher in Quant Network. That will give us even more confirmation that buyers are there. Here it is on the 3, looks just like the 2. Look at Quant Network on the 4. One of the bad things is that the market buyers did not capitalize off of this buy bar right here. Okay, so it still confirms to us that this cryptocurrency is being controlled by the by the sellers. Okay, so you guys can currently see the overall trend in the market in Quant Network. So yes, this is a downtrend occurring right now for this cryptocurrency, and we're currently seeing this area of buying occurring right now in the short term, which is yet to be determined if the buyers are going to maintain price there. Here it is on the 5. Go ahead and make this into black. So looking at this on the 5, look at the last printed 5-day bar. You can see we got the sell signal triggered in Quant Network. So now that gives us even more credibility that price is being moved by the sellers. The only thing that could keep this price in Quant Network from going any lower would be right now. Will be these buyers within that pocket. That's the only thing. Outside of that, the idea needs to continue to be the market's going to continue to try to go down in Quant Network, which is why it's going to be really important for us to pay attention to the price action right now, because if it continues to hold this pocket, then you're going to look for the market to shoot up higher. Here's Quant Network on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2 weeks. And here it is on the 3. So I think this buy pocket is very important though. Okay, so let's not confuse, or think that this market is definitely going to go down, because this could be a point right now where the market is testing this buy pocket, that price can begin to go up. Okay, so you can currently see that right now on this 11-hour time frame that the market is anticipating its ability to try to go up higher in price. That's on the 11. You can see right here on the 5 to where these buyers came through, and they're still willing to support price right now in Quant Network. Here it is on the 4. Here it is on the 3. So yeah, I do think in the short term, if anything, the market and Quant Network is going to try to go up higher in price. We already got these sell pockets delineated on our chart, so these sell pockets going to be real important for Quant Network. It might only top out around 96 bucks as well, because this is a sell pocket on the 3-hour chart. So that's a sell pocket right there. Here it is on the 1 hour. And let's look at this on 3:30. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're still going to look for price to go down in Quant Network. Okay, that's going to be our prediction. However, what we know we are up against is the ability of buyers to hold this pocket. So that could definitely go against this price prediction that we're about to drop on this chart. Okay, so we're going to try to target this lower end first buy pocket, which is around $85.55. That's 7.6% there. We're going to target this next smaller buy pocket, which is around like $81.25, 12.25. And then longer term, maybe around 72.85, 72.60, which is around 21.57% there. Okay, now the sooner that we see price fail of breaking through one of these three sell pockets will be my ability to say, yeah, this market definitely still weak. So like if we see price get rejected on this lower sell pocket, then I'm kind of like, yeah, this cryptocurrency is definitely still weak. We can see a bigger move to the downside. But let's say that it doesn't hold this first sell pocket, it brings up here to the second or even the third. Then that tells you that the market is maintaining its stability, that buyers are becoming more determined to control price than the sellers are. Okay, so let's see how determined the buyers are in the market in Quant Network. So we're going to keep those sell pockets there, and we're going to hold this prediction there, and we'll see how strong, how weak the buyers are. And I'm done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.